Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to fix Capitec Mobile Banking app not working on Android. So first of all, launch Google Play Store. Then go ahead and tap on search option at the bottom right. Now go to the search bar and search for Capitec. Now tap on the application on top. Now over here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it and make sure that the application is updated to its latest version. Once you update the application, all the errors and bugs will be fixed on the app. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. From here, scroll down below and tap on the category of apps. From here, you could directly search for Capitec. Tap on the application. Once you come here, scroll down below and tap on Storage. Now over here at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of Clear Cache. Once you tap on it and clear cache from the application, your problem with the application will be fixed. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.